So how do you sleep in Python? Well, by taking a nap. Okay, that's a bad joke. But I'm going to show you the simple function that you can use to make Python sleep or pause for a certain amount of seconds for however long you need, and then continue on doing its work. So to do this, we're going to need a module. We're going to use the built-in Python time module. So we're just going to say import time. So just like that, we have kind of our module that we're going to use. Now let's go ahead and use it. So sleeping in Python, pretty simple. I'm going to go ahead and create my if our main guard here using my snippet here, and it's going to generate that code. And then all I'm going to do here is just simply go time.sleep. And then the nice thing here is this function takes in the amount of seconds that you want to sleep for. So in this case, if you want to sleep for 1 second, you just do a 1. If you want to sleep for 10 seconds, you can do 10, right? To show that this is sleeping, I'm going to go here and I'm going to say print, and it says, let's just say time for a nap, like that, or something like that, right? And then what we're going to go ahead here and do, and then is just simply come down here, and I'm just going to say nap time is over. All right, so just like that, we have our code. We should see it print out, time for a nap, a pause, and then we should see that after, let's just come down here and do 3 seconds, or let's do 5 seconds initially. So now if I come down here, and we say reset, just to clear my terminal, and we do Python how to sleep. If we hit enter, what you'll see is the first thing it's going to do is it's going to say, hey, time for a nap. Now it's going to sit here and we're going to wait and wait and wait and wait. And now look, right after we got finished waiting, it says, prints out our last thing, which our last print statement was nap time is over. And then the program exits. And that's why we get this back. So again, if we run that again, just to show you what happens, it's going to start up, say it's time for nap. You see that the program is still running. It's just continuing to do its thing. It's sleeping. Now nap time is over and we're back to the program exiting. So that is how you sleep in Python. And if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Until next time, keep on programming.